Okay, so we're going to start step 3 now, which is to add lines and color to your comic book cover. You can see that I've already started outlining most of my comic book cover just with a Sharpie marker. And once that's done for the most part, you just want to go in and, outline over your pencil lines. It's probably a good idea just to take your eraser and clean up anywhere that you might have missed, or those sketch lines when you were first laying things out, anywhere you had an overlap. So I'm just going to take a minute and take those pencil lines out. And once we have that done, we can then use our Sharpie marker to add some lines to create shadow, or you could add some lines to create texture. Go ahead in and, anywhere you want to add a little bit more of a shadow on the underside of things where the light is not hitting objects, you can go ahead in and add that. You can also create, like on the grass, for example, if you want to go in and create texture, or if you have an animal that has a specific type of fur or scales, you could always go in with your Sharpie and add texture for those areas as well. Once you're happy with your lines, we can then go in and start to add color, and this is always my favorite part. It's going to take me a little while, so I'm going to fast forward the video and I'm going to go ahead and start adding color now. Okay, so now I have pretty much everything about colored, just about colored in. You can see some of the different areas where I did a little bit of shadow and a little bit of color mixing. Go ahead now and you can get started adding both your line with your marker and your color with either colored pencils or crayons.